Mumbai, the financial capital of the country, is buzzing with small and medium-scale financial enterprises. One such company that has paved its way forward in this sector is MyCFO from the House of Wealthtree Advisors. The company is a brainchild of S. Venkat and Deepak Narayanan and was established in 2006 with an aim to fulfill the market need for good quality CFO services.
We've got three types of service models. One is a full-time retainer CFO role. The other would be an interim role where we get involved in mandates between 6 to 12 months. And the third would be project-based roles where we are involved in solving specific finance or IT issues, and the mandates tend to be less than 6 months in terms of tenure.
From performance measurement, budgeting and risk management to offering general finance functions, the team at MyCFO believes in helping maximize the business evaluations of mid to large size corporate customers.
Our fee model is on the basis of a fixed fee, and even out of the fixed fee, we allocate certain percentage of the fee to milestones or KRAs that are linked to results, actual results on the ground that we deliver to clients. The second most important thing is our model is implementation focused, and it's not advisory or consulting.
The biggest challenge at this point is to create the category and to define the category. The CFO service is still a very new concept in India. So at this point, I think the biggest challenge for us and other players in this segment is how do you make the market more aware about the fact that CFO as a function or a role can actually be outsourced.
What is MyCFO? What are the services that it provides?
The reason why we called it MyCFO is because we want our clients to feel that the CFO service is not being provided by an external firm. It is a part of their own team. And this is very important for us because a CFO is like a member of the family. He knows the innermost secrets of a company.
What are the advantages and strengths of having something like MyCFO?
To my mind, this is a segment that has got plenty of potential. You cannot grow CFOs overnight, right? Because a chartered accountant takes some time to mature, understand the business, grow in experience and expertise. So it's a 10, 15, 20-year process, whereas the need for CFOs is here and now. So I believe that the market is good currently for players like us and others who are trying to provide an outsourced CFO service.
How tough is competition in this sector?
We believe that we are the largest and the fastest growing CFO services firm in the country today. I think the challenge or the competition is really from the company's mindset, because a lot of people believe that the head of finance role is something that cannot be outsourced, and it's something that they would like to have an employee CFO to do. So today the challenge is how do you convince promoters and CEOs that an outsourced CFO service can actually provide better value for money and better certainty on results as compared to a full-time employee CFO.
Keeping client goals as its top priority, MyCFO has engaged with several Indian companies over the years to deliver tangible business results. In the process, it has not just developed a strong business relationship with its clients, but has also seen a 100% growth rate last year and an expansion of its 25-people team to 100 people.
So we are using the MyCFO services provided by Wealthtree, which is essentially outsourcing our CFO function. We've been working with them for 3 years now, and we've had a fabulous relationship with them. They're extremely professional, driven, and what's surprising and refreshing to see is they set benchmarks for themselves, which are a fair stretch, and they manage to achieve them year on year.
With its client-driven and implementation-focused approach to business, the MyCFO team has today established its business footprint in 7 Indian cities. Going forward, the plan is to increase client base, build domain-specific expertise, and be the top CFO of corporate India. So that was the inspiring journey of MyCFO from Mumbai. Let's find out what our SME doctor thinks of this company. Dhiren Shah, Managing Director at Norwest Venture Partners, will be mentoring all the companies on the show today to help them grow their businesses. Dhiren?
MyCFO from the House of Wealthtree Advisors. I have heard about your services, and I think this is a very innovative space. Every company in India needs a trusted CFO, and you do exactly that. You provide CFO services fully hands-on. I think the biggest challenge is going to be educating the mass market about the need for your services.
So that was some sound advice from MyCFO from Mumbai.